Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study another important topic of grammar, that is active and passive voice. Children, active voice is same as tense that we have studied previously, but there are a few changes in passive voice that we will study now. First of all, we need to understand what is voice. Voice is a form of verb that indicates whether the subject of the sentence performs or receives the action. If the subject performs the action, the verb is in active voice. If the subject receives the action, the verb is in passive voice. That means voice is a form of verb, okay, where means if we need to where we can understand whether the subject is performing the action or object is performing the action. That means if the whole sentence is dependent on subject, then it is an active voice, and if the whole sentence is dependent on the object, then it is a passive voice. Okay, now let's understand what is the basic difference between them. But before that, we need to understand basic rules for it. The most important thing, how the pronoun changes. Whenever in a sentence if the subject is I, it will become me in the passive voice. If we is given as subject, it will become us. He will become him. She will become her. They will become them. Now the most important part, structure to change active into passive voice, and I will suggest you to note down the structure in your notebooks because it will help you out in other classes also. Simple present tense. Here the rule for changing active into passive voice is, first of all, we have to write the object which is given in the active voice. We need to find out the object first, then we will write it first in the passive voice, followed by is, am or are plus V3 plus subject. This is the structure for simple present tense. Now simple past tense. Again, object plus was or were plus V3 plus subject. Children, always remember that whenever we are changing the voice into passive, we have to write the object first, then the helping verb, then main verb, and at last the subject. For simple future tense, the structure is object plus will or shall plus be plus V3 plus subject. Present continuous, object plus is or am or are plus being plus V3 plus subject. Past continuous, object plus was or were plus being plus V3 plus subject. Present perfect tense, object plus has or have plus been, that means has been or have been plus V3 plus subject. Past perfect tense, object plus had been plus V3 plus subject. Future perfect tense, object plus will or shall plus have been plus subject. See children, you might be able to see that few of the tenses are not visible to you. One is future continuous tense, then the perfect continuous tense is not available, right? Why they are not available or not visible to us? Because these tenses cannot be converted into passive voice. Okay, understood? These tenses won't change, that means there won't be any passive voice for these tenses. Clear? Now let's see some examples. Simple present tense. Active, the mother manages the house. So passive voice will be the house is managed by the mother. See, always you have to use by in passive voice. Okay, that means the mother is the subject in active voice, manages is the verb, the house is object. So what we'll write first in the passive voice? the house, that is the object. Is the helping verb which we are using because the house is singular noun, so we are using is with it. Then managed, that is third form of verb. Then by will come, and at last the mother, that is object. Clear? Same way, the rich hate the poor. So here the subject is the rich, hate is the verb, the poor is object. So for passive voice we will write the poor are, that means are is the helping verb because we are using the object the poor. Okay, so poor is plural, that's why we are using are here. Hated, third form of verb, by the rich. Okay, so always we need to add by in the passive voice before the subject. Clear? Present continuous tense, boys are flying kites. So when we'll change it into passive voice, it will become kites are being flown by boys. He is driving a motor car. A motor car is being driven by boys. Present perfect tense, the servant has posted the letter. Passive voice will be the servant has been, the letter has been posted by the servant. He has broken the window pane. The window pane has been broken by him. Simple past tense, the policeman caught the thief. So here the object is the thief, so it will come first. Then instead of is here was we have to use because we are talking about simple past tense. So according to the rule we need to add either was or were, but the thief is singular noun, that's why we are using was with it. Then third form of verb, that is caught by the policeman. They called many people for help. Many people were called by them for help. Past continuous tense. The hunter was shooting the lion. So here the object is the lion was being. See, this is the thing which we need to add after the helping verb in past continuous tense when we are changing the voice. The lion was being shot by the hunter. The teacher is calling the roll. So it will become the roll is being called by the teacher. Past perfect tense. We had visited Amritsar before. Now don't get confused here. Some of you might be thinking that object should be before here. No, not at all. Here object is Amritsar because in the earlier video, means when we have started learning about verbs, I had clearly told you that subject and object will be always either noun or pronoun. Is it clear? So don't get confused. Before is not an object. Okay, so Amritsar is the object here. Had been visited by us before. Before will come at the last after the object. Sorry, subject. I had already missed the train. The train had already been missed by me. Simple future tense. I shall buy this